Cole is helping me wash my truck today. He's very good at the hose. Cole, spray the truck!
Cole, what are you helping Daddy do? Get the truck, Cole. It's dirty. There you go. Get the truck. What are you doing?
Oh, he got it again.
Cole, get the truck.
Not the tree, the
Get
truck.
The truck. Get the truck. Get the truck. Get Daddy's car. There you go. Clean it up.
As you can see, the water, this side, well, look how far the street is wet, all the way up the street. Nowhere near, everything's wet but my truck.
Whoa, don't
Oh,
come
Jesus.
over here. Get the truck, Cole. That's it.
Notice he has no shirt on, and that's not because he's playing with the hose. That's because he shot himself with Armor All repeatedly, all over his shirt and his face.
Don't get Mommy. No, no, no.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, we gotta go.